Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add a customer into your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add a customer into your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers call you over the phone to process a payment. And if you add your customer into your Stripe, you're not going to have to enter those details every single time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add a customer, here on the left side, you're going to click on customers. Once you do that, you want to click on this purple button, add customer. Okay, so here you can go ahead and add in your customer. So you can do just the minimum. However, I would recommend you add in as much information as possible because there is a possibility in the future you're going to need to reference that information. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in a name. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I just entered their name and email, and I'm going to click down here, add customer. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added a new customer into our Stripe account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add a customer into your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.